In MajorClarity, there are 66 different career paths for students to explore and engage in. Students will find that the career paths are ranked by FIT score, which is first calculated based on their assessment results. The FIT score, however, is a dynamic fit score, meaning it is always changing and evolving to meet students' current needs, understanding of career paths, and what best suits them. For example, if I start exploring speech and language pathology, I can find that I can first learn more about what the field of speech and language pathology is, what cluster it pertains to, and I can both watch a series of engaging interview content and also try an actual test drive or simulation of being in the speech and language pathology field. Looking at the interview content in MajorClarity, each of the interviews are structured in what we call TikTok clips, meaning that they are 30 to 90 seconds in length to make sure that we're meeting the current needs of our students and keeping the content engaging for them. As a student, I can learn from somebody who is actually a speech and language pathologist, compare and contrast what working styles are like, learn about valuable courses or academic experiences, understand what work environment is like within the field of speech and language pathology. And at the end of this, I can come and score my fit to make sure that yes, the assessment result is an important data piece for students to help launch career path exploration, but it's also just as important for students to be able to come into the platform and self-rate themselves on a sliding scale within each of the different career paths. In addition to the engaging interview content that we have in platform, students can also go ahead and try that simulation of being a speech and language pathologist. In each of these situations, students will walk through a day in the life in that particular career field, ranging from, again, speech and language pathology to any of the 66 different career paths inside of MajorClarity, which also include all military-related careers as well. At the end of scoring my fit on both the interview content and listening from somebody in the field, and actually trying out a test drive and being a simulation in that career path, I will then find that that career exploration fit score will adjust depending on my assessment results, if I have retaken them, and how I am personally rating each of the career paths against my personal interests.